It is 2024 and we have this PlayStation 5 here that's not powering in for repair, a Nintendo Switch that's not, and we have this PlayStation 5 that's roach infesto, and then we have another PlayStation 4 Slim here for repair. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with this one right here. Let's check this out. When you turn on the power for it, so we already know we must have a problem with the firmware chip. Let's take this thing apart and try to repair. This system was open before. We can see our prior repair. Alright, I got the motherboard out here. Let's get this firmware chip off of this board. I just removed this chip here. I cleaned it up here, got it on the read. So as you can see, this chip right here is giving us an error when it's trying to read the chip. So I'm just forcing a read on it right now. Let's see what happens. Alright, so here, yeah, it did read something here. It says Oni, so let's get the correct sizes for this chip and reread it. So I'm putting a brand new chip here to read the data. And boom, we got it. W25Q16. So I'm putting the original back on right here, and I'm going to force the read right here. Let's do it. Oh, that's a little bit sucky. It says the chip is empty. Let's try one more time. Aha, we got it. And now it says Sony Computer Entertainment. Let's save this. All right, and now I'm writing it to the brand new chip here, and it's almost done. All right, we got it here. Let's install it on the motherboard. We got it installed here. Let's put it together and test. I put enough of it together just to test here, and I plugged it up. It didn't make any noises. Let's see if it powers on. Nice! It powers on. Perfect. Alright, let's turn this thing off, put it back together nice, and see what happens. Alright, here it is powered on fully, and yep, we have it on the screen. Nice.